Good afternoon. My name is Keith Reno with the Reno team of Pacific Funding Mortgage Division, a direct lender here in the Santa Clarita Valley. And this mortgage update is brought to you by the Robert and Brian team with Realty Executives. I want to touch on interest rates. Big update here. On December 23rd, President Obama signed into law the Temporary Payroll Tax Cut Continuation Act of 2011. Within this act, there's a provision for the Federal Housing Finance Agency, and they are in essence the entity that govern Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, and Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are the major suppliers of liquidity as far as home financing goes throughout the United States. And as what it discusses is that the delivery fee of a home loan to these entities is increasing. So what does that mean? That means that anyone taking out a Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac loan, and that consists of conventional financing as well as FHA financing, that the fee for that loan is going to gradually increase, anywhere from 10 to as high as 30 to 40 basis points for that same interest rate. So what does that mean? That means that here in 2012 compared to 2011, the cost for that same home loan is going to gradually increase by about 10, again, to 40 basis points. What does that mean as far as interest rate? It's about 1/8% difference in your interest rate, so from 4% to 4.125. Now, rates throughout 2012 are set to gradually increase, as well as this increased fee. It must take effect come April 1, 2012. Most lenders are going to start to implement this increased fee throughout the next few months, but it certainly needs to take effect by April 1st. So yourself as a home buyer, or perhaps as someone looking to refinance, now is certainly the time to look into home financing and to lock in your interest rate. If you can open up escrow on a property and again take out that home loan sooner than later, certainly advantageous. Avoid rates trending upwards, as well as avoid this increased fee. So if you have questions on this, please do feel comfortable contacting me at 661-513-3118. If you haven't yet been in touch with Robert and Brian to get out there and start looking at property, contact them direct at 661-964-1760. And thank you for spending a few minutes with us here today.